So I am going to show you the project called Parrot to Home. So I will show you first the output and I will show you the coding. So when this item is the food and this is the parrot. So this parrot, when this food touches the parrot, the food items will start to increase, and when it is touched, it will scribble like thing. It will come, and down there is this thing circle purple color. If when I need to touch that, so I will do it first. It will change the backdrop, so some problem will happen in this project. So it is asking what is your name. So in the we have to put the names from this names box. Sam, Ram, Rohit. So I like Ram. So Ram. So here the Ram is written. Now this going. I need some food items, so I taken 33 food items are there. So this is going. I had reached in the home. So it is telling, "Hi came my children, thank you." So so I will show you the coding of Rohit. When I received sa and a comma, just I put for something name I had done. See this this GOMEF hide JDH message one sa and comma. Uh, I also taken the message one first, and this is the um, coding of parrot. When a parrot clicked, this one down arrow clicked. This name is not, and this is a when touching sprite 1, switch to costume B, parrot B3. When right arrow click, next backdrop. Uh, so these are all the coding. So I will show you the costume of this parrot. So this, so in this feather I had smaller it and do it like turn it, and here one feather was there. I had cut it. So when this parrot is flying, when it sits, to show the position I had done, and when left. Now this nest, the coding of nest, the and this is the this is a picture. This is the circle, and by this option I had done. This is curved. This is also curved. This is nothing. So this is the coding. This is the coding of this baby, and this is the sprite, and this is the that food item. This is as actually this is a line, and because of this I had done circle pointing that and all, and this is a coding of welcome to parrot to home. This is the loading part. This is that when we are going to click the name and we are writing the name now. So this is helping that to tell what is your name. This is names box. This is a name Sam. So coding is when I receive So this is also the coding of RAM also, and this is the backdrops. This is only when switcher tablet. So this match backdrops are there 49, and one one backdrop itself is duplicated into many, because when the parrot is going here and there, when here and there the backdrops also changes. So I had done, I will give you this project in the comment box. If you like it, like, share and subscribe.